Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with InVision designs before shutdown migrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your InVision designs, first, log in to your InVision account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Select the project you wish to back up. Once inside the project, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the Share options, select Export to see the available formats. Choose the appropriate format for your backup, such as PDF or PNG. Click on the desired export format. InVision will start preparing your export file. Once the file is ready, a download link will appear. Click the link to download your project backup to your device. Repeat this process for each project you want to backup. If your project contains multiple screens, ensure each screen is included in your export settings. Additionally, consider exporting any comments and annotations for comprehensive backup. Now, check your device's download folder to confirm all files have been saved properly. To further secure your designs, consider using a cloud storage service for additional backup. Upload your downloaded files to your chosen cloud service. Verify that all files have successfully uploaded. This ensures you have a secure copy of your InVision designs before shutdown migrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.